I'm worried. I don't know if we got this. We got T-minus 1 day before the movers show up. We still have to wrap everything, pack everything in boxes. Moving day. Never mind, you're not driving anymore. It's like ring around the rosy.
Baby, move your hand.
My ring's stuck. There.
Move your hand.
You move fast. Go under me. Go, go, go.
Oh shoot, I need some more tape. Can you bring me some?
Sure.
All right. You excited?
Yeah, we're moving.
Yay! Now the not so fun part, all of the packing. Wah, wah. I'm so cute.
Hey Google, play Christmas playlist.
Hey, we got a lot moving happening today. We're packing here. Got boxes to be packed over here. Shantani's working. And more boxes being packed back here. It's a lot of moving pieces happening. Oh, but we're making progress.
Maybe we can say. Supposed to be. And my order clothes.
Good job.
What has been completed. This car, buttons.
Wow. It's a go day. Day before moving. Shantani's packing bags with the dresser. We were wrapping furniture out here. Man, you know, when it's the day before movers show up, that's when you know you have no time left at all to get all this stuff done. Man, look at that. Do you think we got this?
Huh?
I love the confidence. I'm worried. I don't know if we got this. We got T-minus 1 day before the movers show up. We still have to wrap everything, pack everything in boxes. Oh my God. Man, I feel like I'm running around with my hair on fire. It is unbelievable the amount of things that you realize that you have to do when you're moving. And now I'm just running around getting moving checks and making sure that we have all the boxes that we need. Ran out of packing tape, so I had to go get more packing tape. And you know, you estimate all these boxes and then you end up needing more boxes. So this is the nature of packing. I am so ready to be done with this move.
And like create like some customer value, right? I think that's the rubber, right?
Go, 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 go! Yeah! Good job. It's like ring around the rosy.
Baby, move your hand.
My ring's stuck! There.
Move your hand.
You move fast.
Chill.
Go, go, go!
Good job.
Alright, take it, go, go, go! Go, go! And a blanket when I brought it here. So everything doesn't need to be wrapped in a blanket. Leave. I'm just sitting out here on the balcony, and we are going to be leaving in 2 days. And so we are loading the moving truck tomorrow. And so I'm just sitting out here looking at the city lights and thinking how I have just loved sitting out here and looking at the twinkling lights on the building, and how this has just been a place where I've sat and talked to God, and we've had memories with friends out here. And I always just loved having a city view and feeling like the vibrant life just happening all around you, but yet the peace and calm early in the mornings and later in the evenings. But when I cried so much over my West Midtown apartment, I was like really mourning leaving that place and leaving the memories I had made there. And it's really hitting me that this time what I'm going to miss even more than the apartment, and I'm sorry, my condo here in Buckhead, is not really the place as much as it is the people and the incredible community that God has brought into our lives. This season of life, I have been blessed with the most incredible community in this season, and friends that are just truly loving and love the Lord. And God, I have cried so many buckets of tears over this. The most about this place is all the memories that we've made with people that we love here. Good morning, everybody. We're buried in boxes and furniture wrapped in plastic because it's moving day. It's finally come. I'm gonna need some more coffee. How you feeling?
Man, we're gonna go get the U-Haul truck right now. I'm a little nervous, but I should be fine. I've done it before. But pretty close to moving. We have tons of things that we're gonna be moving into the U-Haul today. So we don't know how it's all gonna happen, but we're gonna be praying to God to give us everything we need. But yeah, I'm also really excited.
For moving day?
Yes.
As you can see, it's a mess in here. Man, it is like everything we have wrapped. Everything. It's crazy, except for the couch. That's still gotta be wrapped. But man, it is like hard to believe that all of this is coming to an end in this condo. And now it's time to load it all up into a U-Haul. How is that even possible? Man. That is who you are. We made it to U-Haul. Okay, it's starting to feel real now. We just arrived at the U-Haul place and we're about to pick up a 20-foot truck, and I'm still kind of worried if we're gonna fit everything in it. We'll find out soon enough. Huh?
All right, we are ready. We verified the truck. It's empty. Made sure everything's looking good, and now we're gonna ride the truck.
Drive back to the condo so we can load this guy up. We got the big one, the 20-foot. Well, there's another one that's bigger, but still, 20 foot is pretty big. Wow, getting cleared out pretty quick. Signature Moving's here today because it's moving day, and man, they are moving fast too. My family's used them a lot and they're the best because this place is almost empty now. It's hard to believe. It's all wrapping up. Making it work. Wow. Hard to believe. Dang. Around.
So mesmerized by like how they've been able to fit all that stuff in such an organized manner and utilizing the most space. It just blows my mind. Negotiate at this point.
And now we're here at the storage unit because we have 2 storage units to pack up. Oy, oy, oy. We just finished unloading the storage unit and I just walked back into this condo and it's all empty now, other than some dust and things that need to be picked up. And it just felt just like the day when I moved in 3 years ago, where you can hear the echoing because it doesn't have the furniture that makes it feel like a home. And it just really hits me that this chapter is coming to a close. And we've made so many memories in this condo together. It's just hard to believe. Definitely gonna miss this place.
What's going on? Where did the stuff go?
It doesn't feel the same, does it?
No.
It lost its homey flair.
You did a great job making it home.
Just went to Lake Colonial, got one of our favorite foods from one of our favorite restaurants here. So now we're gonna go eat some egg noodles and fried rice and have a little reward for moving day.